Let's unbox the Bella Pro 4-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer. The Bella Pro is designed to be compact, measuring 10 inches tall, 9 inches deep, and just over 13 inches wide. It's a great size to keep on your countertop, but compact enough for easy storage. This stainless steel model has a sleek, easy-to-clean finish. Once plugged in, there's a large, intuitive touchscreen control panel that's easy to read, with the temperature for each zone top center, with the corresponding cook time next to it. Choose the cooking mode by tapping air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate under the large temperature readouts. Temperature adjustments are made using the plus and minus buttons on the far left and the time adjustments far right. The front handles allow for a simple pull to access the 4-quart removable air fryer basket, featuring Evergood ceramic nonstick coating. Inside, you'll find a basket divider and 2 crisping trays, also with Evergood ceramic nonstick coating for effortless cleaning. The unit is built with non-skid feet to keep it stable during use. The TriZone basket allows you to prepare 1 or 2 items using the center divider or remove the divider to prepare larger meals.